So how do we actually connect the Marshall Major 5 to the Marshall Bluetooth app? Well, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on this button right here until I get a blue blinking light like this, as you can see. And then I'm just going to go into settings and then go into Bluetooth and then find Major 5 right here, as you can see, because we need to firstly make sure that it's connected here to our via Bluetooth to our phone, of course. And then open up the Marshall Bluetooth app here and then just click on add new device, and it's going to search for it, and then you can see Major 5 here, so I'm just going to click on add, and it's going to say that it's going to load here, which is, I mean, quite often this is going to be very fast, just so you know. So once it's done, I'm just going to click on pair here and then click on continue and just click on get started. And you can see it's now connected here on my Marshall Bluetooth app, and you can see different things that you can customize in here, which is pretty cool. But yeah, basically that is exactly how to actually connect your Marshall Major 5 here to the Marshall Bluetooth app.